Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Wear OS application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, wait until it connects with your watch. Once it says connected, scroll down, tap on Advanced Settings, and here you should see the button called Disconnect Falster Gen 6. Tap on it and tap on Disconnect. The watch will disappear from the app. Now we can close the app. As you can see, the watch is restarting, or rather resetting itself to the factory default settings. In the meantime, let's open the settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see the Falster Gen 6. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And once you forget it, you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.